In this tutorial, I'll guide you through how to improve your Google Ads quality score to get cheaper clicks and better performance from your campaigns. Whether you're new to Google Ads or refining an existing strategy, mastering quality score is essential for maximizing your results and minimizing your costs. Start by logging into your Google Ads account. Once inside, your main dashboard gives you access to every campaign and performance metric you need. This is where you can measure how effectively your ads are connecting with your audience. Now, focus on the campaign section located on the left-hand menu. Here, you'll see an overview of all your current campaigns. This area lets you quickly compare performance, identify what's working, and pinpoint what needs improvement. Next, navigate to the Assets section. This is the creative hub of your Google Ads account where you manage headlines, descriptions, images, and videos. Review your ad content carefully to ensure it's highly relevant to your keywords and target audience. Strong alignment between your keywords and ad copy is the foundation for a higher quality score. Once your assets are optimized, it's time to leverage ad extensions. These are powerful tools that let you add more value to your ads. You can include details such as your business location, phone number, or special offers. Extensions not only make your ads look more complete, but also increase visibility, improve click-through rates, and make your ads more appealing to users. A key part of improving quality score is enhancing your landing page experience. Make sure that when users click on your ad, they land on a page that directly relates to your message. The page should load quickly, look professional, and make it easy for visitors to find what they're looking for. Google rewards this kind of user-focused design with a better score and cheaper clicks. Another critical factor is your ad relevance and expected click-through rate, CTR. Create specific ad groups focused on one theme or product. This ensures that each ad speaks directly to what users are searching for. Use clear, action-oriented headlines and test multiple versions to see which performs best. A high CTR tells Google your ad is useful, which helps you pay less for better placements. Finally, remember that optimization is a continuous process. Regularly check your quality score under each keyword in your campaign dashboard. Experiment with new ad formats, update weak headlines, and analyze performance data to see what's improving your score. By following these strategies, tightening keyword relevance, improving ad copy, enhancing landing pages, and using extensions, you'll steadily raise your quality score. As a result, you'll enjoy even better visibility, more qualified clicks, and lower costs for every campaign you run. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more step-by-step tips on mastering Google Ads. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your campaigns.